You know how the tech world always has something exciting going on, right? Well, this time, it's OpenAI turning heads. Their CEO, Sam Altman, has unveiled some groundbreaking information about their latest venture, GPT-5. From what we've heard, it's shaping up to be the most sophisticated and versatile AI system ever built. So, let's unpack all the nitty-gritty details about GPT-5 and explore why it's causing such a stir. Don't forget to like this video as we move ahead. The new era of AI. OpenAI has been the force behind some truly impressive projects in the past. Their AIs are nothing short of revolutionary. They've given us GPT-3 and GPT-4, along with DALL-E and Codex. Each of these models has its own wow factor, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. Take GPT-3 and GPT-4 for example. These models have the power to write full-length coherent essays. But that's not all. They're capable of generating memes in a flash, which brings an element of creativity into the mix. Then there's their ability to code websites. That's right, these models can actually help to build and design website platforms, which is a huge leap in terms of practical applications of AI. But here's the thing, they're not stopping there. Far from it. As amazing as these models are, they represent just the first few steps on the path to something even more incredible. Currently, the star of the show at OpenAI is GPT-4, which was released in March 2023. Despite it being their flagship model right now, it's clear they're not resting on their laurels. The news of GPT-5 has sent ripples across the tech scene. If OpenAI's past work is anything to go by, we can expect GPT-5 to take this innovative trajectory even further. ChatGPT-5's features. But believe it or not, GPT-4 is just a stepping stone on the path to something much grander, the forthcoming GPT-5. According to OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, GPT-5 is set to be a complete game changer. Let's break down what he means by that. Altman has spilled the beans on a few fascinating aspects of GPT-5. To start with, he mentioned about lifting the limit of the length of messages users can send to the model. You see, with GPT-4, you're restricted to 2,048 tokens per message, which can sometimes feel a bit constraining. But here's the kicker, GPT-5 aims to do away with those boundaries. Users will be able to send unlimited messages to the model, paving the way for more natural and flexible interactions. Imagine having extended, detailed conversations with the model, or asking it to juggle multiple tasks in one message, or even giving it complex and nuanced instructions. This should make GPT-5 much more user-friendly and adaptable. Then there's another fascinating improvement that Altman has hinted at. He spoke about enhancing the model's ability to perform mathematical calculations and logical reasoning. No offense to GPT-4, it's an awesome model, but it sometimes fumbles when it comes to basic math and logic. However, with GPT-5, those kinds of hiccups will be a thing of the past. Altman assured that GPT-5 will tackle mathematical calculations and logical problems with greater accuracy. It's like giving the AI a math tutor and a logic professor rolled into one. So, we're looking forward to an AI that's sharper and more reliable in these areas. This is just the tip of the iceberg of what GPT-5 promises to bring. There's more under the hood, and we're all excited to see how it unfolds. If these glimpses of GPT-5 are anything to go by, we're in for some truly astounding developments in the world of AI. Make sure to subscribe to this channel as we move ahead. Greater confidence in AI. And have you noticed how AI sometimes seems to be, well, a bit too apologetic and self-deprecating? It's like it's constantly underselling itself with phrases like, "I'm not very smart," or "I'm still learning," or even, "Please, don't judge me." Altman is aware of this, thankfully. He's steering GPT-5 in a different direction. He indicated that GPT-5 will be more confident and assertive, only apologizing when it's really necessary. We want our AI to exude reliability and confidence, right? Here's something else that's interesting. GPT-5 will be better at remembering things and staying consistent. Today's GPT-4 can sometimes be a little forgetful and inconsistent. For example, it might tell you that its favorite color is blue one minute, then say it's green the next. With GPT-5, we are expecting a more consistent and rememberful AI, which will make interactions more personalized and satisfying. And if you're ready for some real excitement, Altman teased some mind-boggling new features for GPT-5. He didn't spill any beans, but he suggested that GPT-5 will branch out into more modalities like audio and video inputs and outputs. There were also hints about more interactivity, such as voice recognition and synthesis, facial expression and emotion detection, and even gesture control. This would make the AI model more immersive and engaging for users. We mean, seriously, this sounds like it's taking AI to a whole new dimension. The greater vision. And you know, Altman isn't just any CEO making promises. He's got a grand vision for AI and a passion for using it to change the world. From tackling global challenges like climate change to transforming education, he's all in. He co-founded Y Combinator, a startup accelerator that has launched some of Silicon Valley's biggest success stories, including Airbnb, Dropbox, Stripe, and Reddit. Before taking on the CEO role at OpenAI in 2019, he was an early investor in the company. With his track record, we believe we have reasons to be excited about what's coming with GPT-5. The OpenAI Academy. Altman has a special place in his heart for education. He's a firm believer in AI's potential to revolutionize learning and teaching, offering customized and interactive educational experiences for all. Case in point, OpenAI Academy. This project, as Altman recently announced, will harness the power of GPT-5 to offer top-tier and affordable education to anyone, anywhere. With OpenAI Academy, you'll have a world of knowledge at your fingertips, covering everything from math and science to music and art. Plus, you'll have GPT-5 as your own personal teacher, tutor, mentor, and friend, offering real-time feedback and guidance. But here's the twist. Users can also create their own courses and share their knowledge with the world. The plan is to launch OpenAI Academy in late 2023. And guess what? It'll be free for anyone who wants to use it. The challenges and competition. However, Altman isn't one to sugarcoat things. He knows AI isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are significant challenges and risks, including biases, privacy concerns, and even existential threats. That's why OpenAI is staunchly committed to ethical AI usage, respecting everyone's autonomy and dignity, and aiming for AI to benefit all of humanity. To bring this vision to life, OpenAI is open to collaborations with governments and regulators. They're keen to ensure that AI is used in a lawful and ethical manner. To illustrate this commitment, Altman recently had a tete-a-tete with French President Emmanuel Macron to discuss the future of AI in Europe, focusing on how to regulate AI while balancing innovative and social welfare. But let's not forget that OpenAI and Altman aren't alone in the AI playground. There's stiff competition from the likes of Google, Facebook, and Microsoft. Altman's take on this? He's all for it. He sees competition as a catalyst for innovation and progress, with the ultimate goal being the benefit of all humanity. He's even open to collaborations, knowing that addressing the massive challenges of AI is a team sport. And above all, Altman is keenly aware of AI safety. He stresses that power comes with responsibility. OpenAI is devoted to ensuring that their AI technology, including GPT-5, are developed and deployed safely for everyone's benefit. They're pouring resources into AI safety research, developing guidelines for AI usage, and even considering ways for their AI to refuse harmful commands. They're keen on being accountable and contributing to a global consensus on AI ethics. After all, when you're at the cutting edge of AI, it's not just about forging ahead, it's about leading responsibly. So, what's on the horizon for OpenAI and GPT-5? The ambition is sky high. Altman envisions OpenAI leading the AI field, with GPT-5 as the most powerful AI system ever. He plans to make GPT-5 more versatile, adaptable, scalable, and accessible, hinting at a possible public release by mid-2024. That's not too far off. What are your thoughts about the upcoming GPT-5? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned for more content like this.